How to delete Asana account. So to start, what we need to do is to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this home option, and then after that, we'll have to go on the right part of our screen and then go on this profile picture. In here, we'll have to tap on this arrow icon and then tap on settings, and then under settings, you will be given different choices. All you need to do is to tap on this account option. Under account, we'll have to scroll down, and then in here you will see there's two choices, deactivation and then deletion. If you only want to remove access to all organization and workspaces in Asana, what you need to select is this deactivation option. But if you want to completely or permanently delete your account, all we need to do is to select this deletion option. What we need to do is to tap on this delete my account option, and then in here, before you completely delete your account, make sure that you have read these instructions. Once you're done, tap on this continue with deletion. So that's how easy you can delete your Asana account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!